Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you guys what has happened to my precious hair after I haven't washed it for an entire week, and most importantly, I haven't brushed it an entire week. The reason I decided to go for this 1 week no brushing, no washing challenge is because after 2 days of no brushing, I have noticed my hair went crazy. I had a ton of tangles, and I decided to find out what happens if I don't brush it for an entire week. Without any further ado, let's jump into what happened to my crazy hair. This is how my hair looks without any close-ups. I'm gonna show you close-ups. See what's happening right here. So basically, that's what's happening. It's just a lot of tangles, a lot of tangled strands. I was able to detangle my crazy hair. I used that product. Now my hair is oily, but finally I was able to, to remove all this mess that I have created in a week. And honestly, guys, I don't want to go through this experiment again.